Hi guys, I wanted to share, this is a diaper rash recipe. My granddaughter has a diaper rash and this works wonder. This is organic coconut oil, shea butter, tea tree oil, and I mix it up. And then you can also put one half of cup of cornstarch if you want it to be like a thick, like a desicine. But this, oh my God, it works wonders for the inflammations and the redness, and the also the coconut oil kills the bacteria, as well as the tea tree oil for the inflammations from the diaper rash. So if you guys have your babies and grandbabies and want a great, better than Desitine, better than a great diaper rash recipe, but I'm just and everything is pure organic. The coconut oil has no chemicals, as well as my shea butter. So everything is organic. Don't get like coconut oil or shea butter that has other things mixed in it, and you just put it in here and you mix it so it's still kind of lumpy. But I'm just going to mix it all together. And like I said, if you want that, the thick like powderness, just pure cornstarch. You put the cornstarch in there, but this will work wonders on a diaper rash. It's like a miracle recipe. And I just thought to share this recipe with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye bye.